These DIY crafts videos are absolutely going viral right now. Just look at this Instagram page. It has already grown to 7,000 followers simply by posting these DIY craft videos. Their uploads are consistently getting great views, and two of their videos have already crossed 1 million views. So today, I'm going to show you the complete workflow step by step. But before we begin, take a look at what I created using AI. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. For this method, we are going to use ChatGPT, but not in the way most people do. We will use a master prompt. If you want the exact master prompt, comment prompt below and I will send it to you. Now copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different DIY craft video ideas. For this tutorial, I am choosing idea number 3. You can choose any idea you like or simply type more to generate even more ideas. Once you choose an idea, ChatGPT will generate one complete video prompt that's ready to use. Now copy the prompt, head over to Google Flow, switch to video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose Omni Flash, paste the video prompt and click generate. Wait a few moments and your video will be ready. And that's it. Your AI DIY craft video is ready. If you want more wild AI niches, AI workflows, and trending content ideas before everyone else discovers them, leave a like, comment the niche you'd like me to cover next, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.